Hey everyone, Chef Andrew here from North Coast Seafoods. Check out this crazy simple and delicious breaded salmon recipe. Golden brown and ready to eat in just 15 minutes. Who's ready? Here is one of my all-time favorite salmon dishes. I love it because it's only breaded on one side. Season your portions with salt and pepper and dip the top side into a beaten egg and then your panko breadcrumbs. Add your canola oil to the pan and let it get hot, but not smoking. Add your salmon, breaded side down first. It should sizzle. Once it's a golden brown, give it a flip. Careful not to splatter oil. After a few more minutes, it's time to check if your salmon is cooked through. So here's my chef trick for you. Gently push the flat side of a wooden skewer through the thickest part of the fish. If it goes through with no resistance, it's finished cooking. Plate it up with my blue ribbon winner pimento cheese slaw and enjoy. Nice job, chefs.